What secret weapon is the United States preparing that has put the world on alert? Why this new bomber is causing so much fear and concern among the powers world? Will this be the ultimate tool that will change the course of any conflict? Get ready, because in this video we are going to discover the lethal weapon that the United States has just revealed and that everyone fears. First, we must understand the global context in which this bomber has been revealed. In a world where tensions between superpowers are constantly rising, technology military has played a crucial role. From the Cold War to the present day, the United States. It has always sought to maintain a significant military advantage, and with this new bomber, it seems that they have taken a giant step forward. Over the past few decades, we've witnessed how advanced technologies have redefined which it means to be a military superpower. Drones, spy satellites, and precision weapons have changed the rules of the game. But none of these innovations compare to the impact that it can have a next-generation strategic bomber, especially when that bomber has the potential to change the global balance of power. But why now? The answer is simple: competition. With nations like Russia and China rapidly advancing its own military technologies, the United States could not stay behind. The balance of power is at stake, and this bomber is the most powerful card they've ever played in decades. The protagonist of our story is a bomber that has been in development for years, a project that has been shrouded in a cloak of secrecy. Until now. Known as the B-21 Raider, this machine is much more than just a combat. This bomber is the culmination of decades of research and development. From its design conceptual to final manufacture, it has been a masterpiece of military engineering. But I don't know. It is just an aircraft designed to drop bombs. It is a technological platform that incorporates the latest in stealth, artificial intelligence, and advanced weaponry. What makes it so lethal? For starters, its design is virtually undetectable. Using state-of-the-art stealth technology, this bomber can evade the most advanced radars. Advanced, allowing you to enter and exit enemy territories undetected. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. This aircraft has been designed with a low observability profile that makes it invisible to the most air defense systems. Its structure is made of composite materials that they absorb radar signals, and their angular shape minimizes the radar signature. In short, it is a ghost in the sky, capable of penetrating the most robust defenses without leaving a trace. Now, let's get into the technical details that make this bomber a real nightmare for enemies. Equipped with advanced motors that allow you to fly at speeds supersonic, this bomber is capable of reaching any part of the world in terms of hours. But it's not just about speed. Its load capacity is impressive. It can carry a variety of weapons, from conventional missiles to nuclear weapons. But what really caught the attention of experts is its ability to launch long-term attacks distance with pinpoint accuracy, all while staying out of reach of the enemy defenses. The aircraft is equipped with state-of-the-art navigation systems that allow it to operate anywhere in the world, no matter the conditions. Its advanced sensors can detect and track targets thousands of miles away, and its aiming system ensures that each mission is completed successfully. But what really separates this bomber from any other in the world? The answer lies in its cutting-edge technology. This aircraft is equipped with artificial intelligence that allows it to make decisions in real time, adapting to the threats and choosing the best course of action without human intervention. Remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any content of this type. Without further ado, we continue. This artificial intelligence not only helps in decision-making during the mission, but it is also critical for aircraft maintenance. The system constantly monitors each component of the bomber, identifying potential problems before they occur and recommending corrective actions. Not only does this increase mission efficiency, but it also extends the life of the aircraft. In addition, its encrypted communication system ensures that orders and information are transmitted without the possibility of being intercepted. This makes it an almost autonomous machine, capable of carrying out complex missions without the need for external support. The communication system uses quantum encryption, a technology that, in theory, is impossible to hack. This ensures that all orders the bomber receives are and that no enemy can interfere with the mission. The armament this bomber can carry is equally impressive. Not only. We are talking about conventional bombs and missiles, but about an arsenal that includes hypersonic weapons and electromagnetic pulse devices. These weapons are capable of causing mass destruction with surgical precision. The hypersonic missiles carried by this bomber can travel at speeds greater than Mach 5, making them nearly impossible to intercept. In addition, the bomber has the ability to launch these missiles from a safe distance, out of range of enemy defenses. The aircraft can also carry penetration bombs designed to destroy targets deeply buried, such as underground bunkers or nuclear facilities. These bombs are equipped with advanced guidance systems that allow them to find and destroy their lenses with pinpoint accuracy. As if that were not enough, the bomber also has the ability to deploy combat drones. These drones can be used for reconnaissance, electronic warfare, or even for direct attacks. In essence, the bomber is an air command center, capable of coordinating and execute complex trades with multiple platforms. The reveal of this bomber has not gone unnoticed. Immediately after your announcement, international reactions were not long in coming. Russia and China have expressed their concern, seeing in this development a clear challenge to their national security. Meanwhile, United States allies such as NATO have received the news with relief, seeing in this bomber a new layer of protection against potential threats. However, there are also those who fear that the introduction of this new weapon could trigger a new arms race. Tensions are already high, and the appearance of such an advanced bomber only increases the pressure on the delicate balance of global power. In Moscow, Russian authorities have warned that this development could lead to an increase in their own military capabilities. In fact, there are already rumors that Russia is accelerating its strategic bomber programs in response to this new threat. For its part, China has begun to deploy more air defense systems in its regions, anticipating possible incursions by this new bomber. Beijing has made it clear that it will not allow the United States to maintain military superiority without an adequate response. In other corners of the world, reactions have been mixed. Some countries see this development as an opportunity to strengthen their ties with the United States, while others fear that military escalation can lead to unpredictable conflicts. What does the introduction of this bomber mean for the future of armed conflict? One thing is for sure. This aircraft is designed for missions that were previously unthinkable. Since preemptive strikes against enemy bases to nuclear deterrence missions, the potential for this bomber is virtually limitless. One of the most likely missions for this bomber is the destruction of installations before they can be used. With its ability to evade defenses and strike accurately, this bomber could neutralize a nuclear threat in a matter of minutes. The new United States bomber is more than just a war machine. It's a symbol of the technological and military power of a nation that is not willing to cede ground in the global scenario. But with this power also comes great responsibility. The question that remains in the air is, will this bomber be the key to keeping the peace, or will it be the trigger for a new era of conflict? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, the world will not be the same now that this bomber has entered the scene. If you want to keep up with more military developments and superpower secrets, don't forget subscribe to our channel and activate the little bell. See you in the next video.